If you're tired of downloading software for editing, stick around because in today's video, we're diving into the world of online video editing tools. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned editor, these platforms offer a range of features to bring your creative vision to life. Let's jump right in. First up, we have Adobe Express, perfect for beginners. It's a user-friendly editor that offers templates for YouTube, Instagram, and more. With a free plan providing basic features, their premium plan at around $10 per month unlocks additional tools and 2 GB of cloud storage. Moving on to FlexClip. This tool is perfect for businesses looking to create eye-catching marketing videos. With artificial intelligence at its core, FlexClip offers text animations, a screen recorder, and various templates. Though the free plan has its limitations, upgrading to their premium features for roughly $10 per month grants access to higher resolution exports and more projects. Capwing. Known for its premium editing features, Capwing comes packed with templates, transitions, and a treasure trove of stock media resources. However, the free plan is a tad restrictive, while their pro plan at $16 per month lifts the limits on video length and quality, making it perfect for content creators looking for that extra oomph. Owned by Microsoft, Clipchamp offers a user-friendly interface for basic editing needs and even includes screen recording. With a free plan allowing exports up to 1080p, upgrading to their Essentials plan at $12 per month opens doors to additional features and higher resolutions. Great tool if you don't care much about privacy and you don't mind using a Microsoft product. Lastly, Canva. Renowned for its graphic design prowess, Canva introduces an online video editor with fundamental tools like trimming and resizing. It's a beginner-friendly option, especially for those dipping their toes into the editing world. And that's a wrap, folks. Which one of these tools piqued your interest? Let us know down in the comments. For more tech-savvy content, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Don't forget to share this video with your fellow creators. Until next time, keep creating.